This is an update on a video I did recently on an app I use every day called Cheatsheet. I use Cheatsheet to remind me of things, anything I don't want to forget, or it could be instructions for using apps on my computer. And it could even be, as you can see here, tips for using photography and some helpful information there when I'm out in the field doing any type of photography. So you can see it's a pretty handy app. But after I did that video, there was a few updates that came out and added some features that are really important. So let's see how these new text formatting options work on your iPhone and your iPad. So on my iPhone here, you can see we've got a heading, and all I do is come down the bottom here to the toolbar, and I've got my text formatting options, and they all work as you would imagine. So here we've got a bulleted list. So if I select all that, just unselect that bulleted list, let's say I want a numbered list. And this is great if you have instructions, step-by-step instructions, and you need a numbered list because you want these instructions to happen in a certain order. So we can apply that. And now you can just have these simple instructions ready at your fingertips at Cheatsheet when you need it. So if we leave that there and we just scroll across to the right of our toolbar, you can see this three-dotted menu. So in here, we can actually choose to edit our toolbar. So I'll do that again because it wasn't that clear. So yeah, if you go Edit Toolbar, and you can choose what you want to appear on your toolbar. So that's pretty handy. And here's how you add things that aren't on the toolbar already. Okay, so that's how these new features work on your iPhone or iPad. As I mentioned, I believe it is a pro feature, so if you don't already own a copy of Cheatsheet, you will have to pay extra for that. Let's see how it works on the Mac now. So these text formatting options are also available on your Mac. Now, when you buy Cheatsheet, you have to pay separately for the Mac version of it. So I'm looking at Cheatsheet on my Mac and just giving you a look at these new text formatting options and how they look. So here's a bolded heading, and to bold that, you just have to highlight it. You come up to where this little format option is up here, and you choose bold and whatever other formatting option you want. And of course, I've just applied bullet lists here, which are also found in the same place. And as you can see, that's a bulleted list. So if we come over to this little area here, I'll just demonstrate how much better it works. And these particular tips I've got for myself on photography, you can just go Command B on the Mac to turn that heading into bold, and then highlight the text. And in this case, I want it to be a numbered list. So just come up to that formatting option and choose numbered list, because I really want this to happen in a sequence. Anything I learn with photography, I want to be able to think about it, act on it, evaluate it afterwards, alter it again if I need to, and then further evaluation. So once again, I've got this little tip I can use, and because now I've been able to format this cheat sheet tip, it's just so much easier to read. So that's how you operate it on the Mac. It's pretty simple.